All right. I hope you're excited to see where we're at with the TITN scrap management system, the mobile side of it. This is the mobile scrapyard ticketing system that allows you to completely run your yard and send reports all directly from the phone that's in your pocket. And this is multi-device capable because this is a web app. So this is basically the when you open the app, this is where you land. Right here on this this main screen here. And basically it's pretty simple and intuitive. So if you can immediately jump into a new transaction by clicking on that, and you can either search an existing customer. Let's put my name here. There I am. I'm here in the system already. Bam, and it brings up all my information here, and pre-fills it all out right here. So we're going to continue, and now we're going to add a material. So let's just say it's copper, and then it's number 1. And our weight is 275. No, actually, let's just put 200 pounds. Okay. Now we're going to capture the photo. All right. Bam. Click it. Woo, that's the scale photo. We can crop and resize everything that we need to do with this right here. We're going to go ahead and just accept it like it is. And be good. Now we have our photo with our material attached. Now we can either add another material, but for in this instance, we're just going to go ahead and continue. And now we're at the capture face photo part where we go flip our camera. Bam, we got our face. We're done. We can crop it if we wanted to. Now we're going to capture our vehicle photo. Woo, that's the vehicle photo. Holy crap. This is it, dude. It's this simple and this fast to do a ticket. So it's awesome. And now we're going to capture our cash card photo, the photo of our cash card here. Oh, there's our cash card right there. Perfect. Our cash card looks awesome. Sweet. Now our signature right here. Now we're going to just simulate the signature right now because that module is not quite loaded in just yet. Now we're going to continue to our preview, and bam, this is our preview of the transaction. Whoop, whoop, and then we submit it. We're done. At this point, oh crap, I lost the internet. Reconnect real quick. Sorry about that. All right. Okay. Now we're going to submit the transaction. So, I guess it didn't submit. Pretty gay. But once it submits, go back one step, continue, and submit. There we go. Oops. All right. So now it's submitting our transaction, and bam, success. It's been saved now to our transactions. By the way, that also printed out a receipt automatically. So that's pretty much how our new transaction system works. You can also either go right here and always see your most recent transactions. And the reason being is because we are implementing a hold and resume system here. So that way, as you can see, bam, there's our latest fucking transaction right there. And check it out. There's all of our images. And we're good to go. Gives you all the information. And you're good to go. That's just for you to glance at and reprint. And basically, you're going to see completed and transactions that are on hold that you can pick up and resume on any device, or any other user can do it at the same time. So you can be doing multiple transactions at the same time on the same phone, or put them on hold and continue it on another device or another worker as it's passed down the line somewhere. So now we get to our customers here. This pretty much just shows you our customers right here, and all of their information along with their transaction histories right here. As you can see, it says one transaction. I'm going to search my name here because I have multiple ones here, so you can see. As you can see, we have 3 transactions. But if I just select my name, it's going to give you all the details that that it has. So we have images on file, which are basically our what's it called? Our images that we have saved. But I like how it tells you all of our information up here, then the images that we have on file for it. So the cash card, the ID, the face, and their vehicle is always going to be on file here. And then you can start a new transaction directly with this customer's information, or you can update their ID photos or cash card photos. Now, here's a list of the transactions, and here's the cool part. You click on any of those transactions, and it shows you the details. So if it had images attached to it, it will show you the images as well. So it's pretty cool. This was the original first test I did with it right here, before I had a lot of these features implemented. But this is it. It's fully functional, man. Now at this point right here, we can go to the end of the day. So this is when you want to send your closeouts. And this is exactly how it works right here. So it tells you your last closeout date, so you can tell if you did one today or not. But you were just going to click generate our XML for Texas Online Metal. Bam, it got generated. Now check this out. Right underneath this, it's going to say share or export. Bam. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Holy shit, man. And it's not actually going to be code whenever when it shares. It's actually going to be the actual XML file, and you're just going to be able to download it. Then at this point, we're going to hit the leads online. So that's not actually quite done yet, but that's it. Now we would hit complete end of day, and it's going to be like complete. End of day completed and logged. So normally at this point, Leads Online would automatically send all your stuff for you. But we're in the middle of optimizing that for a little bit better, so we actually removed that feature in this video. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. We have some other modules down here. So right here where I have these little squares, we're actually going to have daily reports, a reporting section where you can do reports for law enforcement and daily, weekly, monthly, all that kind of stuff. Then we are going to have the cash card generation system right here. And even in our settings here, sorry guys, don't look at me password. Oh, if I got that right, I did. Sweet. So this is where you would set up all the information for the device. So the device name, operator. So this is how you select the operator, the person, the clerk. You would add the operators right here in this section. Photo capture options. So you can turn on or off requirements for certain images, and the option to capture them. Right here, Leads Online reports. Some locations are not required to do Leads Online, so you can turn it off. And if you want to configure the Leads Online information, the connection settings for the FTP, it's all here. Also down here are materials and pricing. This is how we would set materials that are listed in the system. These are just test materials that I have in here. If you want to add one, you just easily click a plus up there. Bam, put all your crap in it, and then it's going to go to the next part where you can even add a photo of whatever it is if you wanted to. But and our business information. So this is basically where you would put your scrapyard information that prints on the tickets and compliance and licensing information. So I mean, it's fully featured, dude. Hope you guys are ready for the next best badass thing. Now check this out. Let me flip everything to Espanol. Nueva transacción. So it flips everything to Spanish for you. Pretty cool, huh? We have English and Spanish right here in a live toggle. So can't beat it, dude.